go, Diamondback. B&M Hyper. Alright. Here we go. Alright. Papa, you ready for hands up? Papa, hands up.
I can't do this. No way.
You can't do hands up on a high.
Do it on mine the way I want to do it.
Alright, fine.
Look down.
Alright.
Oh down. Oh down.
Oh man, oh damn, oh hell.
We're good.
Airtime! Hit hard. Dang it. Gosh, I trimmed this way too much. Those trims are killers.
Huh?
Those trims are killers. They're very evident. Dang, this thing's way too trimmed. You agree?
Yeah.
Because when we hit
The first few layers of skin are frozen.
yeah, it was a good ride, but the airtime could have been so much better without those trims. That trim on that first trim hill,
Yeah.
it had to take 10 miles an hour off our speed, at least. I mean, that hammerhead-ish turnaround, that was pretty fun, but again, the trims were just killing this whole ride. And again, as an enthusiast, I'm supposed to complain, right?
Yep.
Exactly. Still.
You didn't have anything to complain about, you wouldn't be happy.
Exactly. The floater was great until the trims.
You're like, that's what brought you back down.
Yeah. And then the mid-course was even worse. That was just unnecessary.
Yeah, I didn't see the point either.
Yeah, I mean, Intimidator's definitely way better at Carowinds. Definitely. Intimidator at Carowinds way better. No question, way better. Barely. Only a couple of feet. And second of all, it's not trimmed like this. It's longer. Yeah, that comes to mind too. Alright. That's it for Diamondback.